We've all seen a street light or a big outdoor lamp that's completely dead. Last time, we talked about common issues like loose bulb or a bad starter. But what about other, less obvious reasons a lamp might refuse to turn on? Today, we're going to dive into some more specific troubleshooting steps, from dealing with extreme cold to spotting a tricky defective lamp. Number 1. The temperature is too cold. Believe it or not, some lamps are sensitive to the cold. They need to be warm enough to get started. Mercury Vapor and metal halide lamps usually won't start if the temperature is colder than about -20 Fahrenheit or -28 Celsius. High pressure sodium lamps are a bit tougher and can start in temperatures as low as -40 Fahrenheit or -40 Celsius. The solution? Check the ballast specifications to make sure it's rated for the local outdoor temperatures. If you're using a lamp designed for a warmer climate and a cold one, it might not start. Number 2 is a defective lamp. Even a brand new lamp can sometimes be a dud. So what do? The easiest way to check is to do a quick visual inspection for any visible damage. Then, take a known good lamp, one you're sure works, and put it into the fixture. If the known good lamp lights up, the old one was defective. Simple as that. Number 3, supply voltage is too low or unstable. Just like a car needs a certain amount of gas to start, a lamp needs enough electrical power. If the voltage coming into the fixture is too low, the lamp won't even try to start. A professional will use a voltmeter to check the supply voltage. Sometimes the voltage isn't just low, but it's jumping up and down. This can be caused by other heavy electrical loads on the same circuit, like a big machine starting up. The fix is to move the lighting to a circuit without these other loads. Number 4 is incorrect ballast. We talked about matching the lamp to the fixture, but it's really about matching the lamp to its ballast, the power brain of the light. So what do? Always check that the ANSI numbers on the lamp and the ballast match perfectly. If the ballast is a multi-tap ballast, which can be wired for different voltages, the technician will make sure it's wired to the correct setting. Number 5 is high operating voltage. This is a problem that happens when the lamp is actually on. If the lamp's operating voltage gets too high, maybe because the ballast is trying to give it too much power, it will go out. So what do? While the fixture is running, a professional will check the lamp voltage right at the socket. If it's too high, the ballast is probably at fault. Number 6 is high spike lamp. This is a tricky one. A defective lamp can sometimes try to pull so much power from the ballast that the ballast can't keep up. The lamp goes out and the whole cycle stops. So what do? The best way to diagnose this is to turn the fixture off and on again. If the lamp lights up for a short time and then goes out, it's a good sign that the lamp itself is defective and needs to be replaced. It's essentially a high spike that the system can't handle. Number 7, poor electrical connections. It's so simple, but often overlooked. A poor connection can stop the lamp from starting or make it go out. So what do? Always make sure the lamp is firmly screwed into the socket. The vibration from wind or traffic can cause the lamp to loosen over time, breaking the electrical connection. By methodically checking each of these potential causes, a technician can quickly solve the mystery of a dead light and ensure that the outdoor space stays safely and reliably lit. Thanks for listening.